Here we are in the final video for this series, and in this video we'll be covering cleaning and maintenance of your F105 ozone generator so you can make sure it's performing at its best. I'll show you guys how to clean the ceramic plates and give you tips to prolong its lifespan. Alright, safety first. Whenever you're going to be cleaning or doing maintenance work on your F105a ozone generator, you're going to want to make sure it's turned off and it's unplugged from any wall outlet. Second, it's recommended that you guys wear protective eyewear, gloves, and possibly a mask, just because you're going to be touching ceramic ozone plates and you might not know what's inside the ozone generator itself. The F105a is a very basic but yet powerful ozone generator, and there's really only three things you can do to clean and maintain this unit. The first step is going to be cleaning the exterior. If your unit is in pretty good shape, all you're going to need is a damp microfiber towel, and you can use that to wipe the exterior of it. If you guys notice there are some stubborn spots to clean, you can go ahead and dilute some mild detergent in water and then use that to remove those stubborn spots on your ozone generator. Second step is going to be cleaning the ozone plates. If you guys are not sure where your ozone plates are located, we have videos on that where you can refer to the user guide, which is included in the box. Pretty much all you need to do is remove the ozone plates. Depending of the size of your ozone plates, that'll determine the size of bowl you'll need. These ones are pretty large, so a larger bowl is needed. And all you're gonna do is put mild detergent like Dawn soap in a bowl with some warm water, mix it up so it gets kind of soapy. And you're gonna set the ceramic ozone plates in that bowl of soapy water and let them soak for 15 minutes. Once they're done, go ahead and rinse the excess soap off with lukewarm water and then let them dry completely before reinstalling them back into your ozone machine. The last part we're going to cover is going to be the interior of the ozone generator, the F105a, along with some other of our ozone generators to gain access to the interior components. It's very easy. This model will have 4 screws on each side, along with 6 screws on top holding the handle on. Once those 14 screws are removed, this top portion comes right off. Okay, so we got the top portion off, and here is the internal components of the F105a. If you see a lot of dirt or dust in here, we recommend vacuuming it up, and then any leftover dust or grime or dirt, get a can of air or an air compressor and blow the rest away, and then go in with a microfiber towel and gently wipe everything down. Just keep in mind, if you're using an air compressor, don't go too crazy with the air and hold it directly up to some of these components because there's a possibility you will damage them. While you're in here, you'll also have access to the UV light. If you guys are not sure how to replace that, we have a video for it, but I will go over regular maintenance schedule and when to replace the UV light and when to replace the ozone plates. While you have the top off, it's also recommended you can do this on the exterior cleaning process or you can do it on the interior, but go ahead and clean the air intake and outtake of your ozone generator. Sometimes dust will build up, so go ahead and get a duster brush and quickly vacuum the intakes off. That way you have fresh, clean air coming out and not dusty air. All right, now I want to go over a regular maintenance schedule. Once a week, we recommend giving the exterior a quick wipe down. Again, this is a great opportunity to also vacuum off the air intakes on both sides. Once a month, we recommend checking and cleaning the filters. Then 3 to 6 months, we recommend replacing the ozone plates along with replacing the UV bulb. You'll know when the UV bulb needs to be replaced because it'll be burnt out. Also, the 3 to 6 month rule will also depend on how often you use the machine. Sometimes you might not have to replace the plates for a year or two. It all comes down to how often you're using it. And then lastly, we recommend doing a more thorough cleaning once a year, and that's going to be cleaning the exterior, interior, vacuuming the dirt and dust off, blowing the excess dirt and dust away, and then wiping everything up with a clean microfiber towel. Doing these will ensure that your ozone generator will perform at its best and it will prolong its lifespan at the end.